Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bella Verano Spa, and this, I believe, will be part 3. I'm not sure, part 3 or part 4 of the ceramic coating test. So this still is not the test itself. That will be the next video. But I just wanted to go over the applicators and how they feel. So you can see these are all the coatings right here on the table. There's the test panel over here. See the various levels of gloss that this coatings bring out. Panel's a little dirty, but I mean that's going to happen even on a regular car. It's going to get a little bit dirty. But anyways, we're going to get these panels out here. These panels. We're going to get these applicators out here and see how they all feel. Now, one of them just fell on the ground. I do want to mention a couple things. I talked to a few people in the industry. They did say that the hardness in the applicator doesn't necessarily mean the coating's better or worse. The hardness in the applicators that harden after when the coating cures indicates that they are using the older ceramic coating technology, I guess you could say, which the coatings are not as flexible. Now they all have like 9H hardness or 7H hardness or something like that, but the older technology is not as flexible, and what may happen over time depending on your environment conditions is the coating will have microfractures on the surface, and that's when you start to see them fail. The newer coatings are much more flexible, so you don't really feel the hardness in the applicator, and they don't have that fracturing issue, but they may be more prone to wear and tear against chemicals, washing, whatever. I'm not a subject matter expert on that exactly. But because of that flexibility, especially if you're living in a climate where there's a lot of sunlight, which heats up the panel, makes the metal expand, which makes the paint expand, and then contracts when it cools down, and that keeps happening. Those coatings are better suited to that. Now, each one of these coatings uses different technology. I mean, not different, they use different technology. Some are more one way, some are more the other way. But I just wanted to go over this all and go over, just show you guys. So, not going in any particular order. I'm just grabbing the applicators as I get them, and I'm just going to toss them back in the bucket. So the first one is number 32. That's going to be CarPro C-Quartz UK. A little bit of stiffness. Then number 27, that is Black Rhino Optics. Not feeling it stiff at all. Next we got number 24, that is Underdog Pro Plus. That does have some stiffness to it. Number 20, that is Stark Liquid Kraken. A little bit of stiffness, nothing crazy. Number 30, CarPro D-Quartz, or D-Quartz Go. A little bit of stiffness, nothing crazy. This is a newer coating though, so I expect that it's going to have the newer technology. 34, this is System X Max, no stiffness. Number 8, that is Armor Quartz. This is number 8, right? Yeah. So this is the Armor Quartz stack. So I think this is Quartz Pro on here. So that's not both of them on here. Obviously, I didn't apply them both the same spot, so that doesn't really count. Whoa, almost dropped that. Number 2 is Meguiar's M888 Beyond Ceramic Coating. No stiffness at all. Again, it's another new coating, so not surprised. Number 4 is Gloss Revolution Barrel 1. No stiffness. It's the coating from Puerto Rico. Number 8. Oh, no, number 8 is the Armor Stack. So what was the other one? I can't read my own handwriting. 6. This is number 6. Sorry, not number 8. That's Armor Quartz. It's their consumer grade coating. Some stiffness in there. 21. Stark Liquid Thor. A little bit of stiffness. 17 is Ethos Graphene Max V2. No stiffness in there. That is a unreleased coating. Now I do feel the fiber is a little stiff, but they're still malleable, flexible. But again, that is a new unreleased coating that will be coming out eventually, soon. Number 19, Ethos Easy Peasy. No stiffness in there. Or Easy Peasy Plus, I should say. It's an unreleased one. It's a 1923, I believe this is. This is Underdog Pro. Little bit of stiffness. Now this is the only suede applicator I use because I ran out of microfibers. Number 36, that is System X Crystal. No stiffness in there. Number 35, System X Pro. No stiffness in there. Number 7, Armor Quartz Pro. Incredibly stiff. Probably one of the stiffest in this test. Insane. Number 3 is Gian Bose Evo. No stiffness there. So I'm going to set this Armor Quartz Pro aside because of the amount of stiffness it is noticeably stiffer than the others. This one is this is number 12, FameLab Overcoat. No stiffness. Number 16 is the DIY Detail Stack, which I didn't use this for, so no stiffness there. I used the applicators that actually had them on it. Number 18 is Ethos Ceramic V2. No stiffness there. Another unreleased coating. 22, Stark Repel Pro. A little bit of stiffness. So all the Stark coatings seem to have a decent amount of stiffness to them. Nothing crazy. Definitely noticeable. Oh boy, I don't know what number that is that I wrote there. Something with a 6. I think that's 26. I'm going to call that 26. Number 26 is Black Rifle. That's, I'm thinking of the completely wrong thing. Black Rhino, the regular Black Rhino coating. No stiffness there. Number 31, that is CarPro D-Quartz pre-production. Not noticing any stiffness there. So D-Quartz pre-production and D-Quartz Go. This is D-Quartz Go pre-production and the D-Quartz Go production. Seems like the D-Quartz Go production has a little bit more stiffness. But again, there's not enough of a sample size here to really know. This is number 28. Which is Black Rifle Graphics. No stiffness there. Number 33, CarPro SIC. Or C-Quartz SIC. No stiffness there. Number 25 is Underdog Marine. Slight amount of stiffness. Nothing crazy. And 22. Excuse me, no, 29, not 22. 29 is Black Rifle, I keep saying that. Black Rhino Fat Beads. No stiffness there. Number 11, FameLab V3, or FameLab Ceramic V3. No stiffness there. Number 15, DIY Detail 8-year. No stiffness there. Very slight amount, nothing really noticeable. Number 5 is Apex BC7. Slight amount of stiffness. Noticeable, but nothing crazy. And number 1, Cerakote. No stiffness at all. Number 14, this is DIY's 5-year. No stiffness. Number 10, I already hear that. Ryan West Industries 7H. Probably more on this side actually, because I had to layer it. Decent amount of stiffness. Definitely not as stiff as this though. And then we got number 13, which is DIY Detail 3-year, no stiffness. See the graphene on there. And then number 9, Ryan West Industry 9H. Very stiff. So definitely stiffer than 7H. So this is Ryan West 9H. And this is Armor Detail Supply Quartz Pro. If I had to guess, I think Quartz Pro might have a little bit more stiffness, but I'm splitting hairs there, so nothing too crazy there. Now, last but not least, God, I can't talk. Last but not least, I wanted to do a water test real quick. Now, these coatings are all fully cured. It's been over 7 days, but even in the curing period, you should be able to get them wet after they've had about, for most of them, 12 hours, some of them even just 1 hour, some of them 24 hours, but after at least a day, you should be able to get them wet, no problem. With them fully cured, definitely shouldn't be any issue. So I just wanted to spray some water on, see how they react. It's getting all over my cart. I should have moved that out of the way. And look, hey, Cerakote is repelling. This is Cerakote right here, so it's there, okay? It's there. Everything seems to be hydrophobic and repelling water. So that's good. I don't want to flood my garage too badly. You can grab my blower. We'll blow the water off. See how it does. See if it sticks to any of them. Make sure I get all the water off there. There we have it. So hopefully you guys are looking forward to the test. I plan on doing it this coming weekend. Hopefully I've got the time. I don't see why I wouldn't, but you know, things happen. Let me know which coating you're most interested in seeing here in this test. I am definitely looking forward to it. And just to make sure nobody says, oh, it's got water spots and now it's got minerals. Here, towel, no pressure. Soaking up all the water. Alright? So I don't want to hear it. There you have it. I will see you guys in the ceramic coating test. Let me know which one you're looking forward to. Check out the discounts in the description below. A lot of these brands have given me discounts. If the brand hasn't given me a discount, there's probably a website that you can get a discount from, like Detailed Image that I've got. So definitely check that out. But give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm excited for the test. I hope you guys are as well. But I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.